What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do we'll install on some RGB lights for the interior, the floorboard. I'm gonna do the two fronts and the two backs. Got a kit from Amazon. I'm gonna use a cigarette lighter port. Well, I'm using a 12-volt part. That's what they look like. I'm small. Pretty self-explanatory. First, let's make sure they work. Forward. Alright, cool. Alright, so yeah. Just gonna run them through the sides down here. Hopefully the wire long enough I can just run them all through one side and then try to hide the wire down here. Yeah, I feel like I can hide it down here. And then run it. And then let's see. Do the same thing for that side. And then the back. So I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna show you what I did. Alright, so ran the wire. I tucked it in here. In here, you just pull back on it. Lord have mercy. Let's see shit. You pull back on it from right there. Just tuck the wire in. There. See that? That's the light right there. Go right there. Can barely see it from up here. Did the same thing on that side. That wire right there is not, is that the wire? I'm not sure, because I got something else plugged up too. But yeah. And then I just ran the back ones. Up under the seat. And it's a metal bar actually on the chair, and I can see it right there, and that's why I stuck those at. Same thing on the other side. It's a metal bar. It literally took me every bit of 5 minutes to install these things too. So make sure this on again. Cut these on. Same thing with the rear. This kit also came with a remote. Just a remote. And I can go through everything. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. All of them the same. But yeah. See if I can try and get across. I'll get these lights to come off. There we go. Letting that straight. But yeah, hope this video helps somebody out. I'll put the link in the description where I got these from. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time.